Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello guys, we are from group 5. In here, we want to explain you about process negotiation business. First of all, let me introduce our member. The first is me, Desika Farhana. The second is Ibnu Hafiz, and the last is Widya Anjani. So let's jump to the first topic, negotiation and the reason. Negotiation is a process where two or more parties with different needs and goals discuss an issue to find a mutually acceptable solution. Good negotiation contribute significantly to business success, as they first help you build better relationship. The second is deliver lasting, quality solution rather than poor short-term solution that do not satisfy the needs of either party. And the last is help you avoid future problems and conflict. Next is things to consider in negotiation. First is preparation, which careful. Second is presentation and evaluation, which clear among second split party. The third is skills, experience, motivation, and open-minded. The fourth is approach, which logical. And the last is will for make concession for the sake of reach deal through compromise when happen congestion. Negotiation process. In order to not be in vain and get optimal results, negotiation requires some preparation. According to Hartman, there are 4 important points that must be considered before negotiating. The first is look for fact, especially from party other. The second is assess position opponent negotiation. The third is make planning. And the last is choose as well as arrange team negotiation. According to Kase, there is 3 stage important negotiate. The first is planning, the second is implementation, and the last is review. Stage planning. First stage is target negotiation. This stage relate result which expect in negotiate. Second stage is strategy negotiation. This is method or technique for which aim negotiation. And the last is process negotiation. This is process bid that expect capable products, deal second split party which profitable. Next is process negotiation according to Casey. First stage is related with collection information, sufficiency, and determination, team negotiation. The stage 2 is step meeting by a direct among second split party. Stage 3 is confrontation. Step each other argue to all something which will negotiable. Stage 4 is conciliation. Do process bid which propose get deal second split party. Stage 5 is solution. Second split party start accept and give. And last stage is post-negotiation. Do consolidation second split party.
Next is the role of negotiator. First, role as leader. Able to take responsibility for determining and selecting concessions in negotiations. Second, negotiator as factual. Must know the facts and be able to document every statement that appears in the negotiation process. Third, the negotiator acts as an analyst who are able to present negotiation arguments with logical methods, ensure the correct strategy is applied, negotiate meeting agendas, and set the rules of the game in negotiating. 4. Play a relational role, able to facilitate relations between negotiating teams, sensitive to negotiator relations, the trust, see the strength weakness of the negotiating opponent. And the last is play a role as intuitive, able to come up with new ideas and approach, negotiate potential options, understand future implications, and anticipate what the other party will do. Next is implementation stage. Negotiating tactics. Negotiating tactics require ability for knowing aim which want to achieve. Understanding and stage this, make sure that you reach correct initiative and defend it. Control process negotiation and you keep going push. Collaborative tactics. Listen to the other party and know what's on their mind. Decide to be reactive, which is not proactive. Be ready to cooperate if the opponent's proposal is in line with your goals, whether we agree or don't need to develop their idea and make you the one who succeeds. No act tactics. No act tactics is stubbornness in negotiations, strong against previous positions and not easily changed. This tactic is dumb because you think something. One of the tricks to buy time to make the opponent feel nervous, and that's when it's time to carefully evaluate the perspective. Thus is the tactics to aim at other. This technique requires you to actively divert one problem to another. Next is negotiation review stage. This stage is a stage after the negotiation process. This stage has a very important meaning for a negotiator in reviewing the things that have been done during negotiations. First, check if you have reached your goal. Second, if not, make it a lesson and at the same time a very valuable experience for a negotiator. And last, if yes, make sure what you have done well and build on your success. Next is negotiation skills. Preparation. One of the keys to successful negotiations. Good preparation will make it easier for you to succeed as a negotiator. Start negotiation. Choose the right time, the right place, arrange the right seats. Create a positive and relaxed atmosphere. Set the agenda. Formulate bids or position openers. Deal with conflicts and reach agreements more quickly. Strategy and engineering. In strategy and technique requires special skills in negotiation. Compromise. As an effort to reach an agreement between the two parties in the negotiations. Avoid tactical mistakes. Some things to avoid in negotiating, such as make illogical requests, don't disappoint the party you represent, and be polite and attractive. Good preparation will further strengthen your position as a capable negotiator. Last is practice. Confidence is the first step that will open up the possibility of error. Please respond to the statement of the other party. Don't worry or doubt. Practice and practice. After this material, we would like to show you an illustration of negotiation.
Thank you for coming to talk to me today, Miss Dea. Let's not waste each other's time and let's go straight to the topic.
I agree, Mr. Ibnu. What can I do for you?
I would like to suggest a deal. So what I have in mind is, I believe, a win-win situation for both of us.
Please do go on, Mr. Ibnu. You have my full attention.
Wait a second. Now, you must be wondering, who are these two? What are they doing? So, let's take a step back and I'll be explaining about what is going on right now. There are two parties involved, namely Orange Group and Hammer Company. Orange Group is a growing company from Japan. They are working on advertisement industry and as of now, they are in need for an office supplies and furniture because they'll be having a new office in Tokyo soon. And Hammer Company, on the other hand, is the exact company Orange needed to get this furniture as they are making office supplies. Both companies have agreed to meet up today, and in order to complete the deal, both of them, Mr. Ibnu and Miss Dea, are the representative from both companies. Ibnu is from Orange Group and Dea is from Hammer. Now, you will the idea on what's going on. Let's continue the story, shall we?
So we are establishing a new office in Tokyo and we are interested in purchasing a large amount of goods from your company. Of course, provided that you give us a good offer.
What amount approximately are we talking about?
We would need around 500 tables and twice that of chairs, as well as some other office furniture. We will decide on the exact numbers no later than next Thursday.
Ah, I see. We could definitely offer a discount for such amount of goods. And what about the delivery? When would you want the order to be shipped?
We would like the goods to be delivered by the end of the month.
That is quite soon, Miss Ibnu. It will be tight. I'm afraid we will not be able to offer a big discount in this case. Would it be possible to have the order shipped at a later date?
I am afraid that is not an option for us. We need to get the office ready so we can start working next month.
Ah, I see.
So, how much of a discount would you be willing to offer? I know that this is on a short notice, but I would like to add that we are on the hunt for a long-time partner.
Well, with that mentioned, I could offer about 5% off for the upcoming purchase and maybe a little bit more after contract for a long-term relationship is signed.
I am afraid that might not be enough to close a deal there. We are evaluating offers from other suppliers too.
You drive a hard bargain. I guess competition is a first this day. What about fixed rate of 7% discount? That is my last word.
Okay, deal. Thank you very much. It is always a pleasure doing business with you, Miss Thea.
From the dialogue, after knowing the amount of goods that Ibnu ordered, they are initially offered 5% discount. And because Ibnu felt it was too low and he knew he can still bargain, Ibnu tactfully mentioned other supplier companies whether it was true or not. In the end, Dea was willing to compromise and increase the discount for fear of losing this large order. But of course, she didn't want to increase the discount too high. And besides that, Dea also didn't want to give Ibnu the impression that the discount is still negotiable. Therefore, she emphasized the word "my last words," which gave the impression of take it or leave it. Anyway, they both win a great deal. Orange Group gave 7% discount and Hammer Company get a big orders. I think the illustration is clear enough and I hope you guys enjoy it. Thank you.